Good day, everyone. Learn how to change account location in Roblox. So by any chance, if your Roblox is showing the wrong country and you want to change it, then you need to click on the settings icon and then go to settings again and scroll down and look for account info. And here you will find your country. So by any chance, let's say if you want to change it and it's not giving you any option to change, then what you need to do is you need to scroll down more and look for help. So click on that help and then I need help with my account. Select that and here select location. In the search bar just type location and then you will find account settings, accounts location. Click on that and then scroll down and here it says, how do I change my account location? Need more help. So here we need to click on the link and it will give you a form where you can mention your username, first name, email address, device type like you're using on PC or iPad. Select that and then type the help category, select how to, and then how to change my location. Now here you can mention where exactly let's say if you're from US and it's showing a different country, then you need to mention that you are from this and you can show the identity as well. So they might ask for the proof and then you can simply continue. Make sure you mention the detailed version that your country is this and it's showing this. All right, so this is how you can change your account location in Roblox. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.